This case is truly a test of the vitality of the disparate discipline doctrine. That's far more important to me than whether the evidence justifies any punishment, because I think Sue Robinson is in a superior position, particularly given that she's heard the evidence and is a longtime federal trial judge who's presided over hundreds of cases in her lifetime. I'm not in a position to question anything that she reaches as an outcome, because this is exactly the kind of person that Deshaun Watson should want to have presiding over his case, because in past disciplinary cases involving Ezekiel Elliott, Tom Brady, many others, it's always been an NFL employee, a lackey, somebody whose compensation is paid by the National Football League and brings that inherent bias to the table. This is really the first time since Barbara Jones, another former federal judge, presided over the Ray Rice arbitration, that the players are getting a neutral fact finder with no biases involved. This is the first time in almost 8 years that has happened. And if I'm Deshaun Watson, I'm very happy that I'm going to have a federal court judge rather than Roger Goodell decide the initial discipline. I'm happy that a lawyer, an experienced federal judge, is going to be wading through these evidentiary issues and putting on the lens of a judge is in a much better position to assess whether the quality of the evidence rises above the preponderance of the evidence standard, as opposed to having a non-lawyer such as Roger Goodell or Troy Vincent make that determination without a shred of legal training. And do you even expect them to credit any of the disparate discipline arguments that the NFLPA is going to raise? Because with an NFL employee, they're going to strike it as irrelevant. You have a bona fide chance of having a federal judge credit the notion of selective enforcement, because she's dealt with cases like that throughout her legal career. And I've identified a number of them where she's issued opinions in Title VII employment discrimination cases where the plaintiff raised the disparate discipline argument. And she understands that argument. It will resonate with her. If it's going to resonate with anyone, it would be with this judge, not with Troy Vincent, Roger Goodell, Harold Henderson, or someone else whose bread is buttered by the National Football League.